Welcome to our channel where we will keep you updated on the latest discoveries and advances in the world of astronomy, science, and technology. We are here to bring you the latest and most important news from the scientific world. Join us to explore the latest news across all areas of astronomy and find out how it impacts our everyday lives. If you are an astronomy enthusiast like us, this channel is for you. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any news. Are you ready to check out the highlighted astronomical photos of this week? This time, stars were the featured celestial bodies, appearing in star clusters, associations, and more. Galaxies also made an appearance and were captured in photos that show the diversity of their structures. One of them even has a shape that inspired the nickname Hamburger Galaxy. Check with us. Saturday, April 8th, Spiral Galaxy. This is the M100 galaxy, an excellent example of a grand design spiral galaxy whose arms have a structure so well defined and sharp that they received this classification. With more than 100 billion stars, the galaxy is located about 56 million light-years away from us. In addition, M100 has a galactic nucleus with a supermassive black hole that is actively feeding on material. This material emits a bright radiation as it falls toward the central black hole. The image was captured by the Hubble telescope, and the bluish tones show the star clusters and dust lanes present in the M100 galaxy. Sunday, April 9th, Egg Nebula. Here we have a slightly different object from the conventional, which is often called an egg, although it is not a real egg, but rather a planetary nebula. Inside this formation, there is a star that is nearing the end of its life and expelling its layers of gas and dust. In fact, it is possible that there are two stars at the center of the nebula, forming a binary system. As the star transforms into a white dwarf, periodic explosions, on average, one every 200 or 300 years, of material ejected by the dying star occur. The visible ripples in the photo come from the vibration of light, which causes the effect known as polarization. Monday, 10th of April, Running Chicken Nebula. Inside the IC 2944 nebula, located approximately 6,000 light-years from Earth, there is a true nursery of stars in formation. This region of the nebula is like a stellar nursery, housing several young stars in the process of birth. Also known as the Running Chicken Nebula due to its peculiar shape, IC 2944 can be seen in the direction of the Centaurus constellation. It is a true cosmic spectacle that shows us the beauty and complexity of star formation in the universe. Tuesday, April 11th, Polaris Star. In the center of this image is the bright star Polaris, better known as the North Star. It appears surrounded by gas and dust structures of an integrated flux nebula, whose threads spread throughout the photo. In the left corner of the image, we can see the NGC 188 star cluster. Polaris is located about 430 light-years from Earth and is actually a system composed of 3 stars. The main star of this system is visible to the naked eye, being a bright supergiant. The second largest star is much less bright than the main one, being visible only through a small amateur telescope. The third element of this system was discovered due to its gravitational influence, having been photographed for the first time with the help of the Hubble Space Telescope. Wednesday, the 12th of April, Stellar Association. In this image, on the right side of the center, we can see the stars of NGC 206, a large stellar association. This group of stars is gathered in a type of cluster that extends for 4,000 light-years and was captured amidst the dust of the Andromeda galaxy disk, our galactic neighbor. The bright blue stars of NGC 206 indicate its youth. In fact, its largest and youngest stars are less than 10 million years old. NGC 206 is much larger than the open or galactic clusters of young stars in the Milky Way's disk, extending for about 4,000 light-years. Thursday, the 13th of April, NGC 2419 star cluster. NGC 2419 is a globular cluster with several bright stars, but it is so distant that it is difficult to study and compare them with other globular clusters in the Milky Way. Due to its possible origin in another galaxy, it is known as the intergalactic traveler. This globular cluster has two distinct populations of red giant stars, one of which is exceptionally helium-rich. The nitrogen content of NGC 2419 stars also varies, as do other elements. In addition, helium-rich stars are predominant in the center of the globular cluster and are rotating. Friday the 14th of April, NGC 3628 galaxy. This is a rare example of a spiral galaxy seen from the side, resembling more of a sandwich than a spiral, hence its nickname Hamburger Galaxy. Located 35 million light-years away, it presents a tail formed by gravitational interactions with other galaxies. In addition, NGC 3628 has other peculiar characteristics, such as a twisted dust lane and swollen ends of spiral arms, indicating star formation. The galaxy's bright bulge has the unusual shape of a peanut, suggesting interactions between the galaxies of the Leo group and their gradual separation as they orbit each other. So, did you like this video? So be sure to like and share with your friends. This helps us bring you more exciting news from the scientific world and expand our community of science and astronomy enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any news. Thanks for watching, and until the next video.